Hello and welcome to my channel. My duty is to answer all your questions, make matters simpler for you, and clarify all ambiguities. Today we'll be talking about the new stamp duty. As you know, it's already in effect since January 1st, 2026. Before now, it was called the Electronic Money Transfer Levy, but the new tax law changed the name to stamp duty. Initially, it is the receiver that pays the stamp duty. But now the new tax law is saying that as the sender, you are the one that will pay the stamp duty. And how much will you be paying for every transfer that is 10,000 naira and above? You will pay 50 naira. Note, for every transfer that is 10,000 naira and above, you pay 50 naira. If you are receiving any amount that is 10,000 naira and above, you don't pay anything as the receiver. Also, note that this stamp duty is separate from normal bank transfer charges. Banks will still charge you as you make transfers. But happily, as somebody who pays salary to your workers, you are exempted from this stamp duty as you make salary payment. If you make interbank transfers, same bank account, you are exempted from this stamp duty. Also, like I said before, any transfer that is below 10,000 naira, you are also exempted from this stamp duty. So I want to believe that your clarifications, your answers, your questions have been clarified concerning this new stamp duty. Subscribe to my channel to get more information. Thank you.